Well, I can't read the sign. I don't know if it's on. It didn't look like it's on. Remember that on Friday night, no, back in the weekend it was on, and I thought, oh, they're going to cut the road and put the pipe in. But it didn't happen. I think the reason why they didn't do it last night, Sunday, is because it rained. But when I left the house a bit earlier today for my appointment in Greensboro, I saw them doing some other things that obviously were preparation also. And also I noticed that there were lights to light the work at night that weren't there for the weekend. So, false alarm to think they were going to do it on the weekend. That's my current conclusion. Now, they were doing work such that they needed the curb lane. It's 5 minutes after 5. I see lights in this lane, but I don't see any signs yet telling me to change lanes. See, they're all done in this part. They already finished this part. Now maybe what I was seeing was taillights, brake lights. Let's see what it looks like as we get to the corner. Yeah, oh, and this is there's machinery there. They've got this pipe over here. This is the big. So the machinery is quiet. You see this, what they prepared here? Do you see it right there? That's what they're going to put in the ground. And you see the guys over there setting up the lights? You see that's one up there? Okay, hang on. I'm going to get my mail and I'm going to ask them when are they going to cut the road. Let me get my cane.